Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Meenakshi again, and I'm back in our goat farm. As you can see the goats behind me. Today's video is about Barbary goats. They are one of the most compact and beautiful goats. They are short in length, not like the other Sirohi or the beetle goats. They are small and compact, and they have very beautiful coat. As you can see behind me, they are spotted, brown and white. They do have other colors, but this is the most common category of Barbary goats, and this is the most beautiful ones. So today's video is about Barbary goats. So let's have a closer look at these goats. So as you can see the Barbary goats behind me, they are having their leaves. But they feed on almost everything because their nature is very curious. They love to eat grains, and we mostly feed them on fresh green leaves. As you can see, we are hanging them on a piece of rope because they love to have their food from the top, just like having from the trees. So this is a male Barbary goat. This one. Their horns are tubular and they are twisted a bit. This is a male one. They have short ears. As you can see the ears, they are short and the horns are twisted back. They are compact in size, and the average weight of a full grown Barbary male goat is around 35 to 40 kgs, and they are mostly bred for meat purpose. The main characteristics of these Barbary goats is that they have spotted coats. As you can see, he is white and brown. And it is believed that they are a cross of actual deer and goats. So their features look more or less like deer. There he is standing and having the leaves, the male goat. This one. This is the male one, the standing one. This one. This is the male one. Female Barbary. This is the female Barbary. This is a full grown Barbary, female. We have currently 4 female Barbaries. Even this is a female Barbary. They are full grown. And the average weight of the female Barbaries are anything between 30 to 35 kgs. And during the lactation period, they give milk per day, almost around 1.5 to 2 liters of milk during the lactation period. And the female Barbary is around 65 centimeter length. Sorry, they are 75 centimeter length, and the male Barbary is 65 centimeter length. This is the male, this is the female, and this is another female we have, this one. And these two are kids. We have two kids. This one is a kid Barbary. The horns are still not there. The horns are yet to grow. They have tubular ears. And this is another Barbary we have, who has a slight different color than the rest of them. She is more brown with white spots, as you can see. Hello. I think I'll take from this side, look brighter. Yes. Her coat is a bit different. She is more brown than white. Well, Barbaries are mostly found in Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh. But they very well adapt in other places also if kept under favorable conditions and taken care of. These are in Assam, Guwahati now, so they have already adapted to the climate here. They are reaching for the leaves. This is the male Barbary. They all are very healthy. This is a female one. Well, how to recognize a proper Barbary? As you can see, they have very sharp features. The horns are twisted, short ears. They are not that tall. They are a little compact in size. And they have very thick coat. The coat is very thick with brown and white spots. This is the main characteristics of Barbary. This is the main characteristics, and they are supposed to be a cross between deer and goats. Hello. And they have black eyes, black and brown eyes. And they are supposed to be very aggressive. The male is very aggressive. Also the female are very aggressive. They are supposed to be very aggressive. Even the females are supposed to be very aggressive, but right now the female is taking rest. Hello, this side. This is another female. Even they are very aggressive. And this is the baby Barbary. guys, as you can see that today's video was about Barbary goats. We have a farm in Sonaigaon, just 20 kilometers away from Guwahati, and we are also selling these goats. So anybody who wants to purchase these beautiful goats can please contact us. The phone number is given in the description box. They can also be kept as pets, as they are very compact in size. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.